What if I told you that you can stop paying for Cloud Code right now? Seriously, you can run it for free in your local machine. And in order to do that, you only need to do the following 5 steps that I'm going to show you. Let's go. Step 1. Install Ollama. This is the tool that allows you to run AI models locally on your machine, which is the foundation of everything we are doing right here. You can download it directly from the website, but personally, I recommend that install it through the terminal because it is faster, as you can see I am doing in this demo. Once it is installed, your system is ready to run models locally without relying on any external APIs. Step 2. Download a coding model. Now we need the actual model that will do the work. This is essentially the brain behind your setup. You will run the command shown on the screen, and then just let it download. Depending on your internet speed, this usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes. And this is a one-time setup. After that, your model will be stored locally and you will be ready to use it whenever you want. Step 3. Install Claude Code. At this stage, we install the interface that lets you interact with the model in a practical way for coding tasks. Just follow the command shown on the screen and give it about 2 minutes to finish. Once this is done, you have essentially connected your local model to a powerful coding workflow. Step 4. Launch it. Now, everything comes together. You are going to run the launch command. Select the model you downloaded earlier, and that is it. You now have Cloud Code running locally on your machine, fully functional and ready to use, without any external dependency. Step 5. Now it is your turn to use it. At this point, you are ready to build. You can write code, debug, explore ideas, and experiment freely. Everything runs locally, which means you have full control over your environment. Your data will always stay on your machine, and you are not limited by any API usage or any subscription plans. And honestly, this is where things are going. Running local first AI models on your machine for free is going to be the future that is going to allow us to do much more for way less. I am Mr. G, and remember to subscribe if you find this content useful, as I'm going to be releasing 1 or 2 videos per week. Thank you very much.